Yo, what's up guys, David the Gamer, and welcome back to my brand new video. I've fairly made me your mind. It's my fault. It's not my fault. If you don't do it, if you're not subscribed, don't subscribe to my channel anyways. If you find me, I can't stop. I can't reach there, because that's too high. Oh my god. What's this big noise? Oh yeah, I see them now. I have phones in my day. The box made a post. Made a box for us. Until we have enough. Oh, oh no. Yeah. Yes. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Hurt. Yeah, it hurt. But mommy, you must leave me alone because I'm making a video. Right? Oh yeah. So pretty. Oh wait. Have you anyway? And coming back. But why? What? What? I'm stuck today. I'm almost too close from a move. Is that headphones? Wow, oh boy, headphones! Yeah, I love headphones. I've seen everything. Today we're playing the headphone game. The headphone game makes you happy. Yes, I found a spot. Oh yeah, it's going to get ruthless. It's ruthless time. It's time to give me the ruthless. Give me the ruthless. Give me the ruthless. Me and oh no. Oh no. Next time, last time, everything will be fine. Viber is going to make it a little bit of time ago. Vibers are not good. Mommy, do you love me? Yeah, I'm not gonna talk to you. I haven't really made. Are you okay? Let's order coffee. Yeah. Brian, my chicks! You stop revenging, Brian. I almost died. No, oh no. Make me start all over. I need Brian to stop saying chicks. Yeah, because I have it a long time ago. too fast. Going to get to go. Last time in part 1 and part 2, I finished this video, and in part 1, I made a video for you guys in a hotel, and I made it for you guys. If I made a small haircut, I made a nice haircut. Taking the pro haircut. But I stuck in Tower Pro part 1, and now I can't get out. That's her fault. Because that's not. No! I gotta restart. And this one is the next one in the spot. This is the next spot in the video. And that was changing. We're up in the wood, upstairs, on the ladder, and up in the pool. Yeah, the next spot. Let's go on there. On the double-edged charts. And then we mix that Italian beer. Mix in the spot. Look in the spot. Can't get this stage on more. He ate me.